sickening.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, that's dangerous.
He just jumped right on top of him.
That's dangerous with that. You hear them that? Oh, look at that dog still holding on. Wow. He's going to be drowned.
Oh, he's really good.
Oh, the more it's going in now. More going in.
Oh, we're going to get him.
Yeah,
That's a brave dog, huh?
He's going to fight you.
that is one brave dog.
It's dangerous.
Heck of a way to have to get in there.
I think some people in the car are rooting for the kudu.